Do you like to read?
Yes, I read books.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I read books.
What is your name?
My name is John.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing songs.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing songs.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I study daily.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I study daily.
What do you eat?
I eat rice daily.
What do you eat?
I eat rice daily.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I dance often.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I dance often.
What is your job?
I am a nurse.
What is your job?
I am a nurse.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I ride it.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I ride it.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
Do you like to walk?
Yes, I walk mornings.
Do you like to walk?
Yes, I walk mornings.
What do you watch?
I watch TV shows.
What do you watch?
I watch TV shows.
Where do you work?
I work in hospital.
Where do you work?
I work in hospital.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw pictures.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw pictures.
What do you play?
I play soccer.
What do you play?
I play soccer.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I drive it.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I drive it.
What do you like?
I like music.
What do you like?
I like music.
Do you go to park?
Yes, I go weekly.
Do you go to park?
Yes, I go weekly.
What do you read?
I read stories.
What do you read?
I read stories.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I swim well.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I swim well.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I meet them.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I meet them.
What do you do?
I study at school.
What do you do?
I study at school.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I run fast.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I run fast.
Where do you shop?
I shop at mall.
Where do you shop?
I shop at mall.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I write letters.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I write letters.
What do you see?
I see birds.
What do you see?
I see birds.
Do you like to talk?
Yes, I talk daily.
Do you like to talk?
Yes, I talk daily.
What do you hear?
I hear music.
What do you hear?
I hear music.
Do you go to beach?
Yes, I go yearly.
Do you go to beach?
Yes, I go yearly.
What do you wear?
I wear blue clothes.
What do you wear?
I wear blue clothes.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I paint flowers.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I paint flowers.
What do you study?
I study English.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I use it.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I use it.
Where do you travel?
I travel to cities.
Where do you travel?
I travel to cities.
Do you like to eat?
Yes, I eat fruits.
Do you like to eat?
Yes, I eat fruits.
What do you grow?
I grow vegetables.
What do you grow?
I grow vegetables.
Do you like to sleep?
Yes, I sleep early.
Do you like to sleep?
Yes, I sleep early.
What do you buy?
I buy books.
What do you buy?
I buy books.
Do you go to movies?
Yes, I watch comedies.
Do you go to movies?
Yes, I watch comedies.
What do you learn?
I learn new words.
What do you learn?
I learn new words.
Do you like to play?
Yes, I play games.
Do you like to play?
Yes, I play games.
Where do you walk?
I walk in park.
Where do you walk?
I walk in park.
What do you like?
I like animals.
What do you like?
I like animals.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I collect stamps.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I collect stamps.
What do you listen?
I listen to songs.
What do you listen?
I listen to songs.
Do you like to rest?
Yes, I rest weekends.
Do you like to rest?
Yes, I rest weekends.
What do you see?
I see stars.
What do you see?
I see stars.
Do you go to zoo?
Yes, I see animals.
Do you go to zoo?
Yes, I see animals.
What do you drink?
I drink tea daily.
What do you drink?
I drink tea daily.
Do you like to laugh?
Yes, I laugh often.
Do you like to laugh?
Yes, I laugh often.
What do you write?
I write short stories.
What do you write?
I write short stories.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I love them.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I love them.
Where do you eat?
I eat at home.
Where do you eat?
I eat at home.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I visit places.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I visit places.
What do you do?
I help my friends.
What do you do?
I help my friends.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I buy clothes.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I buy clothes.
What do you watch?
I watch nature shows.
What do you watch?
I watch nature shows.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I learn there.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I learn there.
What do you read?
I read magazines.
What do you read?
I read magazines.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I run mornings.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I run mornings.
Where do you live?
I live in village.
Where do you live?
I live in village.
What do you eat?
I eat healthy food.
What do you eat?
I eat healthy food.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing loudly.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing loudly.
What do you play?
I play chess.
What do you play?
I play chess.
Do you have a cat?
Yes, I love it.
Do you have a cat?
Yes, I love it.
What do you drink?
I drink milk.
What do you drink?
I drink milk.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I dance salsa.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I dance salsa.
What do you study?
I study science.
What do you study?
I study science.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I buy fruits.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I buy fruits.
What do you like?
I like sunny days.
What do you like?
I like sunny days.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work hard.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work hard.
What do you wear?
I wear casual clothes.
What do you wear?
I wear casual clothes.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw animals.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw animals.
Where do you go?
I go to library.
Where do you go?
I go to library.
What do you cook?
I cook soup.
What do you cook?
I cook soup.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I swim weekends.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I swim weekends.
What do you read?
I read adventure books.
What do you read?
I read adventure books.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, I walk it.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, I walk it.
What do you listen?
I listen to radio.
What do you listen?
I listen to radio.
Do you like to walk?
Yes, I walk evenings.
Do you like to walk?
Yes, I walk evenings.
What do you buy?
I buy new shoes.
What do you buy?
I buy new shoes.
Do you go to park?
Yes, I play there.
Do you go to park?
Yes, I play there.
What do you watch?
I watch cartoons.
What do you watch?
I watch cartoons.
Do you like to learn?
Yes, I learn math.
Do you like to learn?
Yes, I learn math.
What do you eat?
I eat vegetables daily.
What do you eat?
I eat vegetables daily.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I paint landscapes.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I paint landscapes.
What do you do?
I help at home.
What do you do?
I help at home.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I ride daily.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I ride daily.
What do you drink?
I drink juice.
What do you drink?
I drink juice.
Do you like to talk?
Yes, I talk friends.
Do you like to talk?
Yes, I talk friends.
What do you see?
I see flowers.
What do you see?
I see flowers.
Do you go to forest?
Yes, I explore it.
Do you go to forest?
Yes, I explore it.
Do you like to rest?
Yes, I rest quietly.
Do you like to rest?
Yes, I rest quietly.
What do you play?
I play card games.
What do you play?
I play card games.
Do you like to laugh?
Yes, I laugh daily.
Do you like to laugh?
Yes, I laugh daily.
What do you write?
I write poems.
What do you write?
I write poems.